Hi, we're a team called Uppi. Emily is a UX researcher working from home. She needs to revamp her bedroom to add an office space that reflects her fun personality. Buying brand new furniture is a big expense and she hates the more affordable flat pack furniture option. She also wants things that most people don't have. Thanks to Uppi, she has a personalized digital room stylist. Our app uses augmented reality to show what her boring old furniture can be transformed into using our DIY upcycled kits or by commission. Through our app, Emily sees her room with fresh eyes. She holds the camera up to look around her room. Visual recognition technology automatically recognizes the types of furniture in her room. She can tap the screen to see the different designs we think she'll love. We help her to find quirky upcycling ideas based on her visual styles from her Instagram feed. The upcycling projects are matched to the craft level she had chosen. We can gamify the experience by showing slightly more challenging ideas too. During the Athena hackathon, we've trained a machine learning model to recognize two classes of furniture. More from the tech team.
So here is the journey of how we trained our TensorFlow model for classifying images. We used Google Colab and a custom data set from Bond Furniture, which had over 90,000 images of 6 categories. So we chose for the demo purpose 2 categories, sofas and dressers. We first prepared the Colab notebook by importing required libraries. Then we used our prepared data set stored in our Google Drive and connected it to Colab. The data generator was then created for the training and validation purposes. As you can see, the results show 805 images each for training and testing, with a total of 1,610 images. The two classes are the dresser and sofa. Then we iterated through the training data generator in batches to create the dataset labels. The results of the label and batch shapes show a batch size of 32 and the pixel sizes of the images. Now comes the training part. We used MobileNet V2 model for transfer learning. It stood on TensorFlow Hub and could later be used for mobile applications, and that's why we chose it. This model is then trained for 10 epochs and we got an accuracy of 99.63%, as you can see here. After training, the model is then exported and we loaded some images and labels batch from the testing data generator. Now, this model has been tested to calculate the predictions for the overall batch. And after testing some input images, we used the NumPy library to visualize this tabular results. As you can see in this model prediction sample, the results in green are right and the red are wrong. We used daily life images with background for testing. Certainly, we achieved a high accuracy.
You can try the live demo yourself using the link in our submission. The retail furniture market in the UK is worth 14 billion. Consumerism has led to a throwaway culture, especially with the popularity of disposable flat pack furniture. Fast furniture is becoming a big problem globally. In the UK, 22 million pieces of furniture is thrown out to landfill every year. 20% of people find it cheaper and easier to buy new furniture rather than repair for reuse. 45% of 16 to 24-year-olds say they're not sure how to dispose of furniture properly. Uppi lets you upcycle what you already have with quirky designs that expresses your personality. We have identified 4 potential revenue streams, which are detailed on the screen now. We aim to save the 30% that can be repaired, reused, or upcycled, the equivalent of 6.6 million furnitures. We will target the 20% of those whose previous owners who think it is cheaper and easier to replace items rather than repair them, potentially saving 1.32 million furnitures. You can find out more about our business case using the link in our submission. Get Uppi, your upcycle stylist for your furniture.